Welcome to our final lecture in this comprehensive course on workplace ergonomics. Throughout this journey, we have explored the human body's relationship to work, identified the risk factors, and discovered strategies for creating ergonomic workstations. Today, we are bringing it all together by focusing on how to establish a formal ergonomic policy and program within your organization. Think of your ergonomic policy and program as the backbone of your efforts to create a truly ergonomic culture. These tools provide a framework for addressing ergonomic issues systematically, ensuring that everyone in your organization understands their roles and responsibilities in promoting a healthy and safe work environment. What is an ergonomic policy? An ergonomic policy is a written document that outlines your organization's commitment to ergonomics and provides guidance on how to address ergonomic issues. It typically includes statement of purpose, a clear statement explaining why ergonomics is important to the organization and its commitment to protecting employee health and safety. Responsibilities. Clearly defined roles and responsibilities for managers, supervisors, employees, and any other relevant stakeholders involved in the ergonomic process. Ergonomic standards, guidelines for workstation setup, tool use, work practices, and environmental factors, often referencing established ergonomic standards and guidelines. Reporting procedures, a clear process for reporting ergonomic concerns, including who to contact, how to report, and what information to provide. Assessment and intervention, procedures for conducting ergonomic assessments, identifying hazards, and implementing the corrective actions. Training, a plan for providing the ergonomic training to employees at all levels of the organization. Evaluation and review, process for evaluating the effectiveness of the ergonomic program and making continuous improvements. What is an ergonomic program? An ergonomic program is actually the action plan that puts your policy into practice. It's a comprehensive set of activities designed to identify, assess, and control ergonomic risk factors in the workplace. This typically includes ergonomic assessments, regular assessments of workstations, tools, and tasks to identify potential hazards. Hazard controls, implementing engineering controls such as adjusting workstations, providing ergonomic tools, administrative controls like the job rotation, rest breaks, and personal protective equipment as needed to reduce ergonomic risks. Training and education, providing ongoing training to employees on ergonomic principles, proper work practices, and how to identify and report ergonomic concerns. Medical management, establishing procedures for managing the work-related injuries and providing medical care for employees experiencing the ergonomic problems. Record keeping, maintaining records of ergonomic assessments, hazard controls, trainings, and injury reports. Evaluation, regularly evaluating the effectiveness of the program and making necessary adjustments to ensure continuous improvement. Benefits of having a formal policy and program. Reduced injuries. A well-implemented ergonomic program can actually significantly reduce the risk of musculoskeletal disorders and other work-related injuries. Improved productivity. A comfortable and safe work environment can boost employee morale, reduce absenteeism, and increase the productivity. Cost savings. Fewer injuries means lower healthcare costs, reduced workers' compensation claims, and less lost productivity. Legal compliance. A formal ergonomic program can help your organization comply with relevant health and safety regulations. Developing your ergonomic policy and program. Here are some key steps to consider when developing your ergonomic policy and program. Gather information. Research best practices in ergonomics, consult with ergonomic experts, and review relevant regulations and standards. Involve employees. Engage employees in the process from the start. Their input is essential for identifying hazards and developing the effective solutions. Create a team. Form an ergonomic team with representatives from management, employees, safety professionals, and other relevant stakeholders. Conduct assessments. Conduct comprehensive ergonomic assessments of workstations, tools, and tasks. Develop solutions. Implement engineering, administrative, and personal protective equipment controls to reduce ergonomic risks. Provide training, offer ongoing training to employees on ergonomic principles and best practices. Evaluate and improve. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of your program and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and creating a formal ergonomic policy and program, you are laying the foundation for a healthier, safer, and more productive workplace. Just remember, building an ergonomic culture is an ongoing journey, but the benefits are well worth the efforts you put in. As we conclude this course, I really want to express my gratitude for your participation and engagement. I hope you have gained the valuable insights and practical tools for creating a more ergonomic working environment. But our conversations doesn't end here. I encourage you to continue learning about ergonomics, implementing what you have learned, and advocating for a healthier and happier work life for yourself and for your colleagues. Thank you for joining me on this journey.